treasure guy here. Steve just went to the bank to get some money. We're going back to the Buca farm where I found that US buckle. See if they hayed that yet. They did. That's the first place we're going to look, see if we can find anything else that's good. I know Steve found his a couple of largies over there last year, so we're going back there, check it out. I got a bum shoulder, he's got some bum knees, so we don't know how long we're going to last, but we're going to give it a try. Anyway, it's a beautiful day, Saturday, July 21st. We'll see if I find anything or Steve finds anything. I'll show you guys. Have a good day. They just hayed the field for us. And Steve's over there getting his stuff ready. You have a little wager or not?
What's the wager?
I don't know. Your favorite drink? My favorite drink. How's that? Okay. Right. With oldest relic. And
we can do oldest relic and oldest coin again so we can cross each other out like we did last time.
Yeah, and oldest coin, right.
So that means I need to find a copper and you gotta find a copper like last time.
Yeah. Or you find a copper, I find the silver. Now I just jinxed it now.
Yeah.
Okay, so far I got a CCR. Oh, we have company. I think it's Chucky Boy. And I got a buckle here for my second one. That came in awful good though, but we'll take it. And we have our first spoon of the year. Right here, it doesn't look too old to me. Spoon, we'll take it. Okay, hold on. Put my hand here.
There you go.
A silver dime?
Mercury
dime?
Yeah, my second one.
Wow.
That one's in better shape than the first one I found.
1941. Mercury dime.
Older than the first one I found. The first one I found was 44.
Cool. Congrats. And what else did you get? I heard you got a button.
Button?
Yeah, that's a button. What's that? What's that?
Another coin.
Let's see.
I think it's Canadian.
Yeah.
I haven't been able to pick up the date.
Yeah, it looks like Canadian. What's that?
I thought it was an Indian at first when I saw the head.
Yeah.
Because of how it's kind of the crown.
Yeah.
I was like, cool.
Oh, congrats on the silver. Looks like you're getting the drink.
Silver
Right.
stays with me.
Let's say 1 o'clock.
Yep.
Man, it's starting to kill me there. Yeah, Steve's been finding a lot of square nails up there. This is the second buckle I found here. It's 2. They sound real good too. Well, it looks like today's gonna be Steve's day. He's got a silver merc in the pocket and a button and a Canadian penny. All I got was a couple of buckles. What else did I get? And a spoon, the end of a spoon. That's about it. Okay, here's the wrap up. We have, I'll go first since I didn't get shit. We have a tomback button,
It said something.
a spoon bowl, or the bottom of a spoon, 2 deep buckles, a big GCR, and this thing, I don't know what the heck it is. But
Cast iron cup.
yeah, could be.
Go along with the CCR.
Yep, and Steve's got what?
I got a big deep buckle.
Deep buckle.
Piece of pottery. Some sort of button of some sort. Some nails. Found a 1995 Canadian penny. flat dime, spoon handle or fork handle, and a silver, that's right folks, it's another silver mercury dime from 1941.
So Steve won the bid today.
Yes, I did.
Get a drink of his choice.
And that would be a Monster Peach Iced Tea. Please and thank you.
Monster what?
Peach Iced Tea. Please
Peach
and thank
iced
you.
tea. Monster peach iced tea. Okay, so that's it for today. Not bad considering I got a bum arm and he had bum knees. So